everybody, it's Wendy Fisher with Bridge Homes, and I wanted to give you 5 things you need to know before building a luxury home here in Ocala. Number 1, you've got to understand the zoning here in Marion County. We're a big equestrian community. Ocala is known as the capital of the world for horses, which means there are equestrian zones, agricultural zones, and neighborhoods here in Ocala that are great for equestrian properties. So make sure that you check the zoning, check the HOA rules to ensure your home design and land use fits those requirements. Number 2, choose the right builder. High-end homes under construction. It is a big process that you're going to undertake, and you want to make sure you have a builder you can trust. Make sure it's a builder that specializes in luxury or equestrian properties. Look for that reputable builder with experience in high-end custom homes and a strong local reference here in the community. Number 3, consider the land features. Here in Rolling Oaks, we have amazing terrain, which goes from rolling hills to pasture land. So think about drainage, soil types, and make sure you look at the views from your amazing lot. Number 4, plan your lifestyle amenities. Here in Ocala, we often include stables, arenas, or expansive outdoor entertainment areas. So early planning ensures that your amenities fit seamlessly into your design and property layout. Last but not least, number 5, budget for long-term value. Custom luxury homes are a major investment factor in landscaping, maintenance, and upgrades that will enhance your property's value for years to come. So make sure that when you come to the Ocala area, check in here with us at Bridge Homes. We would love to talk to you about what it's like to build a luxury home here in Ocala and be right along with you during that exciting journey of planning, making sure you pick the right team, have the vision, and the dream home really can become a reality. Excited for you today. Talk soon.